As I enter bush this afternoon go cut firewood, I see young man dump for ground, chain for leg, rope hold body, face cover. My chest pain me, na kidnapped hustler be that. I no fit waka pass, I help am free. My people, suffering plenty, but make your heart soft. Do good inside your hustle. One day, Ntiga know your story. My people, I no get much, but I get hope and faith. If you believe say I go make am, subscribe to my channel, share the videos, drop your likes and comments, and don't forget to remember me for your prayer. God bless you for watching till the end. I love you.